How to add voiceover in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the video. After that, simply click on Add Audio option below your video. You'll find all these options pop up. You'll find Voice option in here, or simply Record option. You can also tap to auto record it or simply hold on while you're recording. If you're done, simply press on it. After that, simply click on tick mark on bottom right and then you're good to go with your voiceover. After that, simply save your video clicking on arrow on top right and you're good to go. This is how to add voiceover in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.